In this video, I will show you how to use your OneWin account in Nepal. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to your YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you create a professional OneWin account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo code, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, OneWin is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. If you want to use your OneWin account in Nepal, there is nothing special you have to do. Just create your account and start using. Now, for instance, if you come to withdrawal or to deposit, I want to deposit, just make sure to change your country to Nepal. As you can see, it's easy to change your country to Nepal. And you see the methods that you can use in Nepal. Even when you want to withdraw, you can also change your country to Nepal. So come over to withdrawal and you see change your country to Nepal. That's it, very easy.